In recent years, the divorce rate in India has been steadily increasing. While divorce was once taboo in Indian society, it is becoming more accepted and commonplace. For couples looking to get divorced, the process can seem daunting and complicated. However, with the onset of online legal services, getting divorce papers in India has become much easier. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to get online divorce papers in India. Hello and welcome to Lonano. We are here to help simplify Indian family law so you can understand your rights and options. Navigating divorce, alimony, child custody and other family legal matters can be overwhelming. That's why we provide clear, concise information and resources to empower you on your journey. On our website, www.lonano.com, you'll find guidebooks, journal articles covering key topics like choosing the right lawyer, building your case correctly, and tips to resolve your case effectively. We break down complicated legal stuff into actionable advice you can use. Whether you need help understanding the law, or want to know how to get started on a family law case, we've got you covered. The legal process doesn't have to be confusing. Visit our website today to get the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. Just click the link in the video description below to get started. Now, let's continue with the rest of this helpful video. The first step is to determine the grounds on which you want to file for divorce. In India, divorce can be filed on grounds such as cruelty, desertion, mental disorder, venereal disease, renouncement of the world, non-resumption of cohabitation, presumption of death, non-compliance with a decree for restitution of conjugal rights etc. Consult with a lawyer to identify which ground is most applicable to your situation. This will determine the divorce procedure that needs to be followed. To file for divorce, certain documents need to be submitted to the court as evidence. This includes proof of marriage like marriage certificate, wedding photos, marriage invitation card etc. Other documents like proof of residence, identity proof, details of income and assets etc. may also be required. Make sure you have all relevant documents ready before initiating the divorce process. There are two ways to get divorced in India: mutual consent divorce and contested divorce. In mutual consent divorce, both spouses agree to dissolve the marriage. This is faster and requires less court intervention. In contested divorce, one spouse contests the grounds of divorce filed by the other. This involves lengthy litigation. Decide which type of divorce you want to file and proceed accordingly. Several legal tech startups like VakySearch, MyAdvo etc. now offer online divorce services in India. You can visit their website, provide details of your marriage and divorce grounds. Based on this information, they will prepare customized divorce papers and deliver them to you electronically. This is much faster than the traditional method of physically consulting a lawyer. Make sure to choose a trusted online legal platform. Thoroughly review the divorce papers prepared by the online legal platform. Check that all details like names, addresses, marriage and divorce dates are accurate. Also ensure the divorce grounds, settlement terms, custody details, if applicable, etc. are correctly specified. Once satisfied, electronically sign the papers and submit them online along with the required documents. The platform will print and courier the hard copies of the papers to you. The final step is to submit the divorce petition and paperwork in the family court having jurisdiction over your place of marriage or residence. You may engage a lawyer to represent you and navigate the court process. The first motion of divorce will be filed, followed by a 6-month waiting period before the second motion and final decree. Attend all court hearings diligently till the divorce is finally granted. Getting online divorce papers in India is now simple, convenient and hassle-free. Make sure to engage a trusted online legal platform and follow the step-by-step process outlined above. Being organized, diligent and patient throughout the process will ensure you are able to obtain your divorce smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for further details and updates. Visit our website lonano.com to learn more about divorce in India.